So the recording is start, Mikhail. Sorry, I forget always Mikhail I call.
Yeah.
Miss J.
Mikhail.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mikhail. Okay, Mikhail. So now today I'm going to teach you the pattern of the chakras, because chakra and Kundalini meditation is very dangerous, because when you start, you cannot stop. You have to practice continuously in your whole life. That's why the Himalayan master didn't teach, but now everybody teaching. That is not right. So Kundalini mantra I will share with you. The root seed sound of Vedic is Bhu, B-H-U, Bhu. That is called Earth.
Okay.
Sit comfortably. Okay. So that is Bhu means earth. Earth means base. Base means root. This is your root chakra. And root chakra is your grounded. If you're not feeling grounded, it means your root chakra is in balance. So we have to fix our root chakra, and from the 1st August, we will work 1 week continuously every day on the root chakra. Means 7 weeks, 7 chakra. These are the step-by-step course that I'm teaching you. And every session we will record, and for future practice, that you can practice yourself every day with that video. You can watch every day and you can practice yourself. So in this is the part of Kriya Yoga. There's a lots of yoga like Kriya Yoga, Sahaj Yoga, Raj Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Kundalini Yoga. These are 5 types of yogas. So Kriya Yoga is the part of the sun energy, the tradition of Babaji, Yogananda. Okay, this is the tradition. So that I'm going to teach you the pure spiritual practice, purest form of spiritual practice, that is called Kriya Yoga and the Raj Yoga. So what you need to do, we will just focus on the root today, means on the spiritual energies, because your energy is going down continuously because of your lifestyle, because of our habit. Energy is going down. With the practice of Kundalini Yoga, with the practice of chakra meditation, we can lift our energies up. So in this, we will do first Ashwini Mudra. We will practice every day Ashwini Mudra 100 times. How? You need to squeeze your anus like this and release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release 100 times. That is called Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini means horse. If you see a horse, if a horse is standing, if you see the anus part of the horse, he continuously keep doing like this. Continuously, all day. Because of that, he get power. He gets stamina. The sexual power, sexual stamina, and spiritual power and spiritual stamina, because of this exercise. It's natural in the horse. Because when you push like this, that is your perineum point, where your Kundalini lives. So when you continuously squeeze and give push, pressure up, so your energies goes up, lift like this. You pushing, you pumping yourself up with that mudra. You pumping, and your energy start going up. With the daily practice, start open slowly, slowly. Activate slowly. It's not like one day you can activate your powers. No, slowly you can activate. I don't want to give you illusion because I talk truth, I speak truth. So I want to tell you it takes time. It's not like that people can activate in 1 week and 1 month. No, it's a lifetime journey. You have to enjoy, you have to practice, and you have to enjoy the flow of this journey with me. So what we need to do, we will do the Ashwini Mudra right now. Did you understand how to do that?
Yeah.
So you have to focus mentally on that part, your anus. You have to connect with that part from inside. And you have to squeeze that part, only that part you have to squeeze, release. Squeeze, release 100 times. Do that and continuously tell 1, 2, speak yourself and give work to your mind. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Okay, sit straight and do this mudra with me, and I'm watching and I'm concentrating on you, and you have to work hard and focus on your anus.
Okay.
Good. So let's start. Okay, relax now. Very good. Now we will change the variation. Now squeeze and hold for 3 seconds and then release. Squeeze and hold tight. Very good. Okay, relax. Very good. Now you have to squeeze and hold for 6 seconds and then release. Okay. Very good. Now relax. Good. Now we will do the last round. You have to squeeze tight and then you need to hold for 9 seconds. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, relax. Good. These are the practice you have to do every day now. From today, from tomorrow, you will do this practice with this video. Okay?
Okay.
So now you need to add in this the same pattern, but I will going to teach you advanced practice. In the advanced practice, you need to inhale, deep inhale, then hold, and then squeeze. Means deep inhale, squeeze, hold your breath, and hold your squeeze in us for 3 seconds, and then release.
Okay.
Inhale, hold your breath, hold your squeeze 3 seconds, and then exhale. Do this 3 times. Deep inhale, take time to inhale, increase your diaphragm, increase your lungs diaphragm, then hold your breath, then squeeze and hold for 3 seconds, then exhale long.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes. Because before it became
Uneasy?
automatically.
What?
I did that automatically before.
Yes, I know that, because without that you cannot do.
Okay.
But now you need to follow the numbers.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
you were not doing deep inhalation. You were doing inhale just only. So now you have to deep inhale. Slowly, slowly. Exhale first. And then
Okay.
inhale. Very slowly and smooth. And observe your breath. And then hold and hold your squeezing tight. Tight squeeze and hold for 3 seconds. First, release your Ashwini Mudra and then exhale through your nostril.
Okay.
Okay, I'm watching. Do 3 times. Good. And always remember, Mikhe, one rule. When you inhale, your belly will come out. And when you exhale, your stomach will go in. Always remember this rule. Whenever you inhaling, your belly will come out. And whenever you exhaling, your belly will go in. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So we will follow the same method now for 6 times. Means 6 second hold. And you have to repeat this 6 times. So now start. Deep inhale, hold for 6 seconds your breath and in a squeezing Ashwini Mudra and then release. Good. So same practice you have to do 9 times, means the universal teaching I'm teaching you. This is the very mysterious, hidden and secure practice that I revealing with you. The 369, the pattern of the universe, because with this pattern you can connect with your inner universe. You will feel pressure because that is the area of powers, energies, serpent. When you squeeze and hold, the power start going up. Did you feel that pressure? Did you feel pressure there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And often when I sit in this position, I feel
Snake.
emotion inside me. Yeah.
Yes, you getting right effect, because I told you I'm teaching you the Kundalini yoga. In the Kundalini yoga, there is a perineum point, there is a Kundalini. Because when you give pressure like this, you sucking up and your Kundalini start moving.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm teaching you the advanced Kundalini practice.
Yes. And I don't know. Maybe I move my body. I don't know.
Oh, no problem. You know, you don't need to stop. Whatever is going on, you have to give power, freedom. If you stop, so energy will stuck. Don't stop yourself. Whatever is emotion coming, whatever feelings, whatever energy is coming, give power. Yes, just enjoy. Don't try to hold. I'll teach you later for holding, but right now you have to enjoy the effect.
Yeah.
So don't stop. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Good. So now we will do the 9 times. This is the last time. You have to do 9 times, 9-second hold. Deep inhale, hold for 9 seconds, squeeze your anus area, that is called Ashwini Mudra, and then exhale 9 times. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. So it's a pattern of 3, 6, 9. So you have to start with this practice first, and you have to do every day,
Okay.
because this is for root chakra. So now I'm going to teach you the second exercise, that is called Sajoli Mudra. This is specifically for women only. Okay, only women can do this. Men cannot do. For the men, that is another mudra, that is called Vajroli Mudra. That is for men. Sajoli Mudra for women. In this, we have to do your root chakra, your pee hole. There is a vein is connected where from your semen comes through your cervix, the vagina. That vein connected with your semen power, with the fluid. And with the power of this practice, we can hold. First, we can hold the semen for long time, orgasm. And the second is we can lift up with the daily practice. Because if in the Tantra, in the Kola Sampradaya, they practice external pleasure, means only physical. And in the Mishra Sampradaya, they practice external and internal, both. And in the Samaya Sampradaya, where from I am, they only practice internal, spiritual pleasure. So when you are able to hold your fluid, your life force, your life energy, then you are able to lift up. Because right now, continuously your water, your fluid going down. It's a nature of the water. It's go down. Wherever you put, it will go down. Because it's a nature. That's why our body fluid, our tears, water, sweat going down all the time. And with this practice, we can hold our life force. So in this, you have to hold like this, just like you squeezing when you holding your pee. Just like you feeling pee and you holding it for a long time. So you have to squeeze that vagina area, your pee hole and the vagina hole. You have to squeeze and release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release continuously. 100 times Ashwini Mudra. I am teaching you, that's why I am not teaching you 100 times. So you have to do practice 100 times every day for yourself.
Okay.
So 100 times Ashwini Mudra, then Vajroli Mudra you have to do. Means the vagina hole and the pee hole. Squeeze, release. Like you holding, release, holding, release, holding, release. This practice you have to do, and it will give you power to attain that stage. You can lift your life force up in the chakra, in the spine. Very powerful mudra for feminine. Do you understand?
Yes.
So we will do first 3-6-9 pattern. So in the beginning week, you have to follow 3-6-9, 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, 3 times, 6 times, 9 times in the beginning. And slowly, slowly we will do 100 times.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So now inhale, hold, and then squeeze, hold for 3 seconds, then release. Again inhale, hold your breath, squeeze, and then hold for 3 seconds, just like you do in the Ashwini Mudra. Same thing you have to in this, but you have to squeeze your vagina hole and the pee hole. Only that. Focus on that, just like you holding your pee. Do it first normally. Do it 11 times, then we do this. Do 11 times normally, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Focus on that area. Are you connecting with that? Good. Keep doing. Keep doing. Only vagina area. And just like you pushing up your energies, you're pushing up and you're squeezing. You connecting with the right part?
Yeah.
Very good. So now, Mikhe, you have to do 3 times with the hold your breath, deep inhalation.
Okay.
Good. Good. Keep you connecting internally with that part, right?
Yeah.
And slowly, slowly, you have to visualize that just like you watching yourself. Means just like you naked in front of the mirror. You're totally naked in front of the mirror, just like you watch yourself with the naked eyes in the mirror. And you have to watch yourself with the inner eyes.
Yeah.
You have to watch that part, squeezing and releasing. Keep visualize that too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So now you have to do 6 times now.
Okay.
Done? Good. Now you will repeat this 9 times. Deep inhalation. Hold your breath for 9 seconds. Hold your squeeze for 9 seconds. Sajoli Mudra. And then release Sajoli Mudra first. Then exhale. Good. Focus and observe yourself deeply. Very good. So you have to do this practice every day. Ashwini Mudra first and then Sajoli Mudra. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have to start with the yoga, your exercises, and then when you start meditating, so you have to do this practice, 2 practice every day, 369, 369. You can do 1 round, you can do 2 round, you can do 3 round. It's only up to you, as much as time you have. Means Ashwini Mudra, 369 1 round, 369 2 round, 369 3 round. Sajoli Mudra, 369 1 round, 369 2 round, 369 3 round, like this. Okay?
Okay.
And you can do maximum 5 round of every exercise. Maximum 5.
Okay.
Good. And you have to tell me every time when you're done, you have to text me how much time you have done, how much round you have done. You have to confirm me
Okay.
in the message.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. So now we will do the meditation. This is the meditation of the Kundalini and the chakra. So first chakra is the root. So root is the element is earth. And the Vedic seed sound is bhu. Bhu is the word, the Hindi word, Hindi language word that is called earth. So in this, you have to connect yourself with the earth, because this is your base. Without the earth, you cannot stand, you cannot do anything, because whatever you get with the Mother Earth. Mother Earth gives you everything. So we have to give love to the Mother Earth. We have to receive energy from the Mother Earth. Okay? So now you have to take your hand and touch yourself on the floor like this, like I'm touching on the floor. Yeah, straight. Your hand should be like this. Very good. If you cannot see me, so I can show you like this. Maybe I can adjust my camera for you so you can watch. Right?
Yeah.
So you have to sit like this. Just like you connecting yourself completely with the Mother Earth. You're touching Mother Earth like this, and you're connecting yourself grounded. And visualize through the Mother Earth, you connecting with your root chakra. Your root chakra and Mother Earth is connecting each other. And you receiving energies in your root chakra through Mother Earth. And I'm going to chant the seed sound of your root chakra, that is called Om Bhu Namah. 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 Experience yourself. You're receiving powers and energies through Mother Earth. Your root chakra totally connected with the Mother Earth and receiving energies inside and increasing power in your root. Your root is very powerful and grounded and balanced. You fulfilling your earth element through this mantra. Feel the connection between your root chakra and the earth. You both are totally connected. Your root chakra creating vacuum, like you sucking energies inside through the Mother Earth. And you becoming divine. You becoming so pure. So much purifying energy is going deep inside you. Positive energy is going inside you. You feeling so pure, so loved, so connected, so divine. Oneness with the Mother Earth. And you enjoying the oneness, your physical, your mental, and your spiritual. Your body is in the alignment, in the middle line of your body. Your middle line of the body. Om Bhu Namaha. Om Bhu Namaha. Om Bhu Namaha. Enjoy this connection, and you have to chant this mantra every day, minimum 108 times. 1 mala, 3 mala, 5 mala, 7 mala, 9 mala or 11 mala, as much as you can do, and you will see so much grounded, connected in your life. So much connected you will feel. It will give you deep connection in your life. So much support and balance you will enjoy with this Vedic chanting. Om Bhu Namah. Okay? You enjoy?
Yes.
Good. That's why I'm going to change everything in your life. I'm going to change the practice. And from the 1st August, we are going to do practical this. You have to do this. And I will teach you yoga, some exercises for the root chakra for 1 week continuously. And some breathing exercises with the pattern. And this mantra chanting. You have to give more time.
Yeah.
You feeling grounded?
Yes.
Do you feel grounded with this?
Yeah.
Good. And it will give you so much pure energies, very pure energies you will receive from Mother Earth.
Yeah.
Because Mother Earth give everything to you. Okay, Joe, I'm just going to stop the video because I'm going to share some secret with you. Wait.